If you're looking for the best way to kill ants, you're in luck. We have compiled a list of the top 10 ways to get rid of ants fast. Boric acid is one of the most effective life hacks for getting rid of ants. To use boric acid, simply sprinkle a thin layer of the powder around areas where you have seen ant activity. Start by mixing 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of borax in a large bowl. Next, take the mixture and spread it around the areas where you've seen ant activity. The ants will be drawn to the sweet sugar, and then will be killed by the borax. Be sure to keep any pets away from the mixture as it can be harmful if ingested. Sprinkling salt around doorways, windows, and other areas where ants are entering your home can help keep them away. The salt works as a dehydrating agent and can be used to deter ants from coming in or staying. Another way to use salt is to make a paste with water and spread it on ant trails. The paste will dry out their bodies and they will die. To use vinegar to eliminate ants, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray the mixture directly onto ant hills and trails. The vinegar will kill the ants on contact and will also help to disrupt the scent trails that the ants follow. To use this method, you can either spray the lemon juice directly onto the ant trails or make a solution of 1 part lemon juice and 3 parts water and spray it onto the ant trails. To use this life hack, mix 2 to 3 drops of peppermint essential oil with 1/4 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake the mixture and spray it around the areas where you have seen ant activity. All you need to do is sprinkle some cloves around the area where you've seen the ants and they will soon vanish. Cloves are especially effective when it comes to getting rid of flying ants. Bay leaves contain compounds that are toxic to ants, making them an effective way to eliminate ant infestations. To use bay leaves as a natural ant repellent, simply place the leaves in areas where you have seen ants, such as around windows and doors. Cinnamon is a great natural ant repellent that can also help to keep other pests away from your home. Sprinkling cinnamon around areas where ants are entering will cause them to stay away and keep looking for food elsewhere. Cucumber is a great life hack to get rid of ants. The scent of cucumber can repel ants, and it is a natural, non-toxic way to get rid of them. You can slice a cucumber and place the slices in areas where ants are present. Make sure to change the slices or peels every few days, as the smell will fade over time. That's all. Please let us know in the comments section if you know any other effective methods. Thanks.